Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the pet care find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Cleaner air, automatically, AccuSense Auto Mode. In this Honeywell air purifier tracks real-time air quality and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Easy, mess-free upkeep. The one-click less mess system makes filter changes quick and clean, while the carry handle. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Powerful allergen and odor defense. For layer HEPA system features 360 degrees cleaning with a pre-filter for pet hair. True. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that this air purifier is on at my house around the clock. My simple verdict: the pet care find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.